Time to clean up this wiring. It's driving me nuts. So need to mount these modules and protect the wire. This is from all kinds of lighting and horn stuff. I'm only rolling with one horn on this guy. Got to pull this wiring out, and I wasn't sure if I was going to use this stuff or not, but this is the charge hatch lock, and then this is the slow charger port lock. So I'm just gonna get rid of that stuff and pull it all out. And walking over here, there were a zillion grounds for the lighting system on this side that I wasn't using, as you can see there. And I am going to be using the wheel sensors, at least that's the plan. And then we've got the horn. So got a bunch of loose wires that I'm just going to pull out of this big bundle and kind of tidy things up a little bit. I'm also going to see if I can use the wiper system. I don't know. We'll see. It's getting there. Still have to deal with this, but everything is getting split loom, so that's nice. Not gonna have any exposed wire to all this sharp metal. All right, we're getting there. This little clump is real big, so I'm gonna have to figure out what to do there. It's like 2.5 inches or so, and then I'm gonna hit up all of these edges with door trim. Alright, all the components are roughly in place. We have a main fuse box here, battery, just need to figure out tie downs for that. This relay box, I'm gonna see if I can put it back here. I'm not sure if I can or not, but I'll give it a shot. And then the main unit, and then we have another fuse box here, and this guy, he's gonna mount here, but all the mounting tabs are broken off, so need to figure out something there. And still need to figure out a covering for this, but it is coming together and everything still works, so that's sweet. Time to mount all these relay boxes, fuse boxes and everything. It's one over there and one tucked in right over there. It is now time to get everything in the dash area mounted up. Thought it'd be fun to mount the ignition switch in this little housing. That looks cool. So give that a shot. There we go, that's pretty slick. Unfortunately, we got to keep the instrument cluster in play, so I'm using these little brackets and going to weld kind of onto here, down in here, so you can't see it from the dash very easily, but you can still see it, sorta. There we go. So it's tucked up, you're not going to see it, which I'm thankful for, but if you really needed to, you could look underneath and see what's up, but I don't want to see it. Need to mount the interior fuse panel. It's got this little bracket, which almost looks like it'll bolt right up to this little lip right here, but we'll see. And then I have, you know, a couple switches and so forth, little relay setup. And for the switches, I'm just gonna carve this guy out and see if I can tuck that somewhere nice. There's that guy. The first row is a little bit hidden, but you can still test them with a multimeter with a curved tip. However, if I really needed to get in there, I could just undo these and kind of slide it back, but that's using the stock brackets on this thing, so that's pretty nice. Got this guy cut out. It's a little bit more manageable than this huge thing. There we go. Just need to tuck wiring and figure out what to do with this little relay setup and this guy. I can't remember what this looks like in the leaf. That's looking okay. I just screwed this little toggle right there for now. Just have to tuck this stuff. I'm gonna get a shroud to go over all of this stuff, but right now I'm not really into it. I'm gonna do something else. Got the brackets built for the various relay boxes. So come Monday I'll be kind of taking everything down and painting it, taking it all apart again, painting it. And yeah, I mean, it's super nice. The thing that I need to figure out still is the battery hold down, because I would hate for this to fly up and hit the hood and arc. That'd be a bummer. So the only one I haven't done is this guy over here. Just need to figure out a method for mounting it. I want to get the top of this bulkhead reinforced a bit. You can see it just ties into the frame down here, but I want to get the top tied in as well. So bent up a little bit of EMT, which is one of my favorite materials to work with. And thinking I might do something like that and maybe wrap around on the front over here, kind of trying to replicate the rolled sheet metal up here. All right, I think I'm gonna do something like this, kind of like that. There we go, got everything welded up. Now I just need to paint all of these brackets and the bulkhead and everything. Time to paint, and I'm using the trusty old Rust-Oleum. There we go. Normally I'm not a big fan of paint, but this time I got a little carried away. I still need to put that conduit, the EMT, on the top here, just so that I can mimic this. But for now, I just didn't want things to rust on this rust-free vehicle. Thanks for watching. The next step is to sort out the cooling system. That's going to be fun. Stay tuned.